Do you know what's going to be the most important life skill in the 21st century? It's programming. Coding is going to define the success of many people in the generations to come in this century. And that's why it's important for children to learn it. I welcome you to this course, Python Challenge for Kids. My name is Bharat Divyang. I'm a fluid intelligence coach and I've been teaching programming to children for the last 5 years, and I've taught upwards of about 1,000 students. And I've learned one thing. The way children learn and the way adults learn is very different. And I have been focused in helping children as early as primary school to learn programming. This course, however, is designed for middle school and for high school students. No matter what your interest, where your future lies, programming is that skill. Just like reading or math or writing, which is going to define the way you are going to succeed in your life. And that's why it's so important to learn it. Not only is programming a skill that you have, it also helps you shape your thinking process and builds on your thinking skills. It develops what I call fluid intelligence. So with all of this in mind, I have designed this course. So let me briefly give you an idea. This course is something that you're going to learn by doing. It's not a theoretical course. So towards this, I have designed 75 challenges which gives you a very good idea of how programming works. It so happens that we're going to use Python as a programming language to learn this. However, the key idea is to learn the algorithms and the thought process behind these programs. So the basic paradigm of programming is you have an input and you have an output that you desire. And your program is basically the logic that you write in between. So if you are able to understand the system in terms of what's the input that comes in, how does it get manipulated and modified to give you the right output that you're looking for, then you have understood the paradigm of programming. And that's precisely going to be the focus of this particular course. This course is divided into multiple sections. And every week you will be assigned challenges which you need to work on, and the solutions to those challenges will be offered later in the course. But this will give you an idea of being able to work with what you know and build on that knowledge as you move along. As I said, there's not going to be a lot of fluff, not going to be a lot of theory. We're going to be focused completely in building the skill by doing. And that's where it's going to be very different. I wish you all the luck, and I'm so happy that you have decided to enroll in this course and decided to work on the most important skill of the 21st century, which is coding, as I've told you before, and build on the skill and become somebody who can express your creativity and thought process through programming. Are you excited to start this journey? If so, I would like you to do something. I would want you to leave a brief comment about why you're so excited about learning programming here and what you look forward to learn in this particular course. This will help a lot of other people in our community to look up and learn from the comments that you have left and be able to contribute to your learning.